everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Patience Best. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make a fertility booster at home. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. So if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching my video. So a healthy egg is very important to every woman when trying to conceive a baby. So without the quality egg, you get it very difficult to get pregnancy, and to achieve that you really have to nourish your egg, nourish your system, boost up your immunity in order to achieve a healthy pregnancy. So while taking this drink as well, this fertility booster, you don't just have to rely only on the booster, you still have to improve on your eating. Make sure you eat veggies, eat fruit that will help balance up your immunity and your system. Exercise regularly so your blood will start flowing, every part of your body will start working properly. You have to exercise regularly, eat healthily, know what to eat and what not to eat during this phase. If you have a lady that needs to watch this, please like, share so they can be able to see this video. So if you want to know how I achieve this, keep watching till the end. Don't stop, keep watching till the end and know how I achieve this, and so you know all the steps I take for doing all this. So keep watching and give this video a thumbs up if you like what to do. Okra has long been favored as a food for the health conscious. It contains both calcium, vitamin B, vitamin C, folic acid and calcium. Is low in calories and has a high dietary fiber content. Okra has been suggested to help manage blood sugar in cases of type 1, type 2 and gestational diabetes. The popular form of okra for medicinal purpose include okra water, okra peels, and powdered seed. But for this video, we'll be making okra water. So before going on, I would like to ask you, do you know that okra is one of the food that boosts ovulation? The answer is yes. There are so many different ways to which we can use okra to boost ovulation. One way is to make it as soup, using the okra and the leaves. So here is how to prepare this okra for ovulation booster. So before making use of your okra, make sure you wash them up properly. Here I've washed mine and it's ready to be used. All you'll be needing is a glass container or any container of your choice in which you can infuse the okra in overnight. But here I'll be using a glass container for this. Next I will go ahead and slice all the okra up and place them into the container. When buying your okra from the market, make sure you are getting the fresh and greenish ones. By so doing, you're getting the best out of the okra. So after slicing up all the okra and placing them into the jar, here I have my cup full of water. I will go ahead and pour it into the okra and let it sit on overnight. Then the next morning, get it filtered with a strainer and take 1 glass cup of the okra water first thing in the morning and should be taken on an empty stomach. Make sure you take only the okra and discard any other remaining ones. Take note, the recommended time to take this okra water is immediately after your menstrual cycle, and take only for 3 days, and each drink should be a fresh one and not refrigerated or preserved ones. So this is how yours should look like after filtering the okra water. So you can go ahead and drink it up. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the notification bell to get notified each time I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and see you guys on my next video.